Hello students, I hope that all of you will be good at home. So today we will start a new topic and that is articles. Articles are the words that combines with a noun to indicate the type of reference being made by the noun. The articles in the English language are the, a and n. We can divide the articles into two sections, indefinite articles and definite articles. A and N are indefinite articles, whereas the is the definite one. Now look at the uses of indefinite articles. First, use before words beginning with a consonant sound. Second, use before words that begin with a vowel sound. Third, A and N both should agree with the first sound in the adjectives or the adverb adjective combination which stands before a noun. You just can pay attention on the examples given in front of the columns. Next, use a before words, letters, numbers which sound like they begin with consonant even if the first letter is a vowel. As you can see in the example, a euro, it is starting with vowel but it is giving the sound of consonant. So we place A over there. Next, use N before words, letters, numbers which sound like they start with a vowel even if the first letter is a consonant. As for an example, it is an R. R is starting with consonant but it is giving the sound of a vowel, so we will place N over here. Now we can see some more uses of indefinite article. First, before a singular noun which is countable when it is mentioned for the first time and represent no particular person or thing. As a cow is an animal. We are talking about a general cow, not the specific one. So we place indefinite article before a singular countable noun which represents a class of things. Example, an elephant has a tusk. Number 3. With a noun complement, it includes names of professions. When we will talk about any profession, before that we will place indefinite article. As example, he is an engineer, he is a good doctor. Number 4. Before certain numerical expression. For example, a dozen, a score, a grass. Number 5. In expression of price, speed and ratio. 5 a kilogram, a meter, 5 times a day. Now look at the uses of definite articles. Before superlative degrees, we use definite articles. Before adjectives, before some proper nouns, we use definite article. When we will talk about any holy book, we will place definite article, means the before it. Before the names of unique things, the things that are unique in the world, we place definite article before it. Or to denote particular person or things, we place article the before it. As in the example you can see, the boy you met yesterday is my friend, means the boy is familiar with us already. Now we will look at the omission of articles, means where we will not use articles. While talking about general things, sports and games, names of countries, name of a language, the names of railway stations when they are also place names, the names of meals and noun with number. From these places we will not use articles. Discussing these points, we have covered up our topic articles. So now we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.